Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Mallu community. Today I am going to discuss on a particular token, airdrop and whitelisting for the public sale. It's Solanium token on Solana blockchain. First we are going to enter through the Solanium website. In order to participate, you need to have a Solana wallet. I am using a website wallet called Solid.io here. For creating a wallet, while entering the Solid.io page, you will get a recovery phase first. You can just backup it in a note paper. And just re-enter and confirm the backup. Now add a password to the wallet. After creating the password, you can connect the wallet with the website page of Solanium. Now you need to verify the wallet. Just click on the verify and approve button. Your wallet gets verified into the website. The second step is that you need to connect your Telegram account with the website page. You should enter your Telegram phone number. And you should go back to the Telegram, search for the Telegram's official page and click on the confirm authorization button. Your Telegram account is being connected with the website page and together with the Solanium bot. Now you can see the status on the Solanium bot. Now the third step is that you should enter your mail ID in order to obtain the notifications of the project. If you are eligible for a public sale, then you should also need to verify the identity. Otherwise, for just participating in the airdrop, you can skip the task. You can refer your friends with the referral ID provided in order to get more entries and more tickets. An additional Twitter event is for airdrop task. So you can click on the button. The first task is to just follow the Solanium's official Twitter page. After following, you need to retweet the special tweet mentioned there. We are entering to the tweet. Just hit on the like button. Click on the quote retweet button. Tag any of your 3 Twitter followers. And post the tweet. Click on the view button in the bottom section. Just copy the link to tweet. Come back to the airdrop page. Paste the link and click on the save button. With this, the task has been completed. Just recheck that everything is done fine. You can also check in the Solanium bot about the task done and the updates. Also, there is Solanium Telegram community and Telegram announcement channels. Both you can follow for further information. Also, you can just have a look at the verify identity page. You need to only do it if you are eligible for the public sale whitelisting. Thank you and have a nice day.